So we're back.
Yeah, we're back
In
Ferris wheel.
Fantasy Island, and we're on a Ferris wheel.
Yeah, we're back on
almost
the
at the
same
top.
Ferris wheel last time. And right now we're switching over to someone right here.
Hi guys, it's me, your favorite person. I mean, your favorite. I mean, a person. And instead of Brett coming with us today, we got me, Olivia. We're at the top. We're at the top of the Ferris wheel,
And it just stopped.
It just stopped, so we can get a better view.
And police officers.
And police officers. Sirens are loud.
Maybe
Yeah,
it
oh my
stopped. Maybe it stopped, and the police are coming to save us.
Oh no, that's something else.
That is not.
That's an ambulance.
Yeah, that's not what happened actually.
Oh god, I can't say that.
Wait, what if it just falls?
I'm embarrassed.
Guys, it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be like uploading every year. We're so sorry we can't do it daily. They live in Rhode Island. We live in New Jersey.
And our editor lives in Rhode Island, so
And he's
we
right
really
behind the
can't.
camera.
Yeah.
No. Secret.
Okay, goodbye the phone. Okay, don't. Ready? The phone. And there's the view.
By the way, that's his phone.
Yeah. And by the way, if you're
And by
all
the way,
watching
Oh, we're going down. Film it going down, because that would be cool.
We're going down.
Last time we were in that one right there.
Guys, by the way, last time we were in the one that's under us right now.
You don't know that actually.
I actually do.
No, you
That's
don't.
the correct number that we
not
were in
know
last time.
Hello, Tesla. Hello.
Yeah, my favorite number.
Take it back to
Love
you guys.
it.
Put it.
Mine's 9.
Why you?
Well, back to the cameraman. What's up?
My favorite number's 9. What's yours? Put it in the comments down below.
Wait, are the comments turned on?
I don't think so.
Maybe.
We will for this video. Make sure you comment below.
Yeah, because one of the videos.
No!
One of the videos.
Oh, that's
the comments were supposed to be on.
That's
and they
Owen
weren't
and
on.
Olivia's mom down there.
Oh god.
And that's their dad with
Oh,
the red
God.
hat.
If you guys know from Extreme Hide and Seek, you guys know. For all
You
the
know.
people, for all the people who see this video,
Guys, we're almost at the top again.
Oh
just to
yeah.
let you know,
Oh, it's stopping.
I don't
Is it?
like school.
Oh, it's not.
Like, the thing is, I had it dug. I don't want to start trouble.
Yeah, just don't say it.
I
don't
don't
like
say
school
it.
either.
Why? I had a tough year at school. Oh,
Yes,
boy.
I know.
No one likes school. It's sad because
I mean,
you have
actually,
your
maybe I
friends,
should
but
say that.
It's
because,
actually
it's on camera and then everyone's gonna
wait,
see
what
it.
if our teachers watch it?
Yeah.
Comment down below. Teachers never watch this video.
Comment down below because you're not in school. It's actually summer.
Wait, comment down below if you're in school or summer, because some schools around the world are different.
Oh, yeah.
Because
Comment down
Comment down below if you know if you like Kansas City Chiefs.
Comment down below if you know that guy right there.
Comment down below the number 4 if you're having a great summer so far. Comment down below the number
No,
3
Colo.
if your summer's going okay. By the way, I actually have a rash for some reason.
What's your comment? Yeah, what's your number?
4.
4.
9.
9. He's having an amazing summer.
That's my favorite number.
no, we're saying the number for.
If you're having an amazing summer.
Don't let us go.
Having a amazing
Don't
summer.
let us go. Don't let us go.
9.
Don't let us.
What?
Saying it. Don't let us go. Don't let us go. Don't let us go.
Here we go.
No, here we go.
Wait, are we stopping? No, we're not.
Oh, there's Nicole.
Please don't stop. Please don't stop.
Hey, to Nicole.
Stopping, yes.
Hey, to Nicole.
We're filming this on camera.
We're filming this on camera, you know.
I'm going back to the water park. We're actually right in the water park.
We're just at that water park today.
If anyone is in the water park and you see yourself,
If you see yourself
below.
and you were in,
Oh, by the way, never do that water ride. It's just very bad.
What water ride?
What one?
That one right there, where you slide down with the.
Oh yeah.
Never do that. Your pants will fly off.
oh yeah.
Yay! Just say that.
But you know
I
what?
could've nailed it.
Next time, just tighten your pants ahead of time. You know what I'm saying, right?
What the hell? Oh, but if you say that on camera,
Oh,
you
yeah.
say that.
Also, we were talking about these nuts today.
OSG!
Oh yeah, also, maybe
You guys should also try Skittles. They're very good.
Are we supposed to put this on YouTube or something? Or will you like crop it out or something?
We'll just bleep that part.
Dummy.
We'll put giant Skittles in front of our heads.
All right.
All right, we're here.
Oh my god.